Welcome back, guys. How you doing today? Today we have Panini Contenders Value Packs. Contenders hasn't been really nice to me this year, and I have opened a lot of it, I guess. Um, since I started my channel, so I'm talking like I've been doing this for a year. It's been only a month and a week, maybe, but it hasn't been nice. So I haven't pulled an autograph yet, so hopefully I can pull it out of this. Also, would like to see something number. I haven't seen anything number since I opened the Don Ross Elite. So it will be nice to get something number. So 2 value packs. Let's see if I can make some money out of this. Let's go. All right, come on. Whew. All right, so it's 22 cards per pack. Let's see if we get anything. We also look for the exclusive green parallel. How about Travis Kelce? Kenneth Walker, have it in one of my leagues. Did pretty decent. Now that the other just got injured, the other running back. Jared Goff. Danny Jones, or Indiana Jones, how they call it now on the Colts. You have Adam Thielen, Josh Palmer, Stephon Diggs. I hope he start connecting with my quarterback soon because he hasn't done much. Ooh, we have another Danny Jones, but on the red parallel. We also have Adam Thielen on the red parallel. I just pulled these two guys before. We have Josh Palmer on the red parallel. It's like I'm repeating all the people that I just pulled on the regular ones. DeAndre Hopkins. And we have a run around. Xavier Worthy and Brian Thomas. That's a pretty cool one. And we have a nice rookie stallion of Audric Estime. Draft class Marcus Allen, Andrew Tippett. Another round one on the red parallel for Penix Jr. and Rome Odunze. 2 rookies. Nice. Can't complain. We have a Trevor Lawrence, Deebo Samuel, Javonte Williams, Alvin Kamara, Justin Herbert, Dejeez Pierce. Oh, wait, one more. Jerry Alexander. All right, not much. So let's see. Hopefully this one is better. Come on. Come on, Contenders. Give me something. Happy stuff. Let's see something nice. Come on, Contenders. Let's see. What is it in the back? All right. We have Brock Purdy, Practice Ortain, Derek Carr, Bryce Young, James Cook, George Karlaftis, Baker Mayfield. All right, we have a red parallel, CeeDee Lamb. You have Jacoby Brissett on the red parallel. You have Zay Flowers. I have him in one of my teams. He's been doing great. We have Mike Evans on a bronze. So sorry, he got injured. You have rookies. We have Latu and Turner, Dallas Turner. We have, oh, nice. We have Khalid Williams. He had a great game this weekend, but to give it to him, it was against the Cowboys defense that it sucks right now. That's a nice one. Let's leave that. All right. Let's continue. We have draft class of Kellen Wilson and Dan Hampton. Oh, this one looks nice. It's a round of Jalen Wright and Isaiah Guerrero, Durando, Jared Alexander, Shaquem Barkley, Amari Cooper, Jalen Waddle, Kirk Cousins, and Evan Ingram. Oh wait, one more, and Christian McCaffrey. All right. Really not much out of those 2 value packs. Still disappointing contenders. Still disappointing me. The only thing good out of that was this Caleb Williams, and it's on a silver, not even a parallel like a bronze or anything. But I take it. All right. Enjoy your games today. I hope your fantasy teams wins, and I'll see you again next week. Remember, please like, comment, and subscribe. Will help me a lot. And every pack is a gamble.